Download the installer from the official website. Click on the Download Now button to download a trial version. Once the installer is downloaded, open the installer. Select a preferred language. Read the agreement carefully and accept the agreement to continue. If you want to create a shortcut on the desktop, fill the checkbox. We have successfully installed the software. Here we have a dummy Excel file, which consists names, email addresses, company names, phone number. We will convert this with the software. Click on Browse button to locate the files. Here you can see those columns. Match these fields with the columns to get the data imported in the right place. Check the data, and then click on the Export button. You can treat the first row as a header. You can also export all vCards in a single vCard file. After that, click on the Browse button to select a location for the output file. Finally, click on Export vCard Now button to start the process. The process has completed. Here you can see that we have successfully converted Excel file into vCard files. You can use these files in any suitable platform or software. Purchase the full version from the official website to convert without limits. Thanks for watching.